accelerating the development of innovative new products, improving the efficiency of manufacturing operations, optimizing service for equipment around the world. The application of digital technology across all aspects of your business is revolutionizing the way work gets done and the way value is created. Tune in to episode 3 of LiveWorx, the limited series, featuring industry visionary and CEO of tech giant PTC, Jim Heppelmann. Learn how digital technology is fundamentally transforming the physical world in which we live, learn, and work. And get a glimpse into the next generation technologies driving transformation from thought leaders and disruptors in the automotive, medical device, and consumer electronics industries. Be part of the future of technology and the future of business, digital, innovative, agile, and connected. Learn how in this season finale of LiveWorx, the limited series.